Happy Friday, y'all. I ventured to Monterey, California this week to attend a marine science workshop at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, also known as MBARI. We had an opportunity to explore this beautiful ecosystem after a few days of research. We kayaked along the coastline and explored beneath the docks and kelp beds, while trying to keep a safe distance from the sea lions basking upon any space they could find. Paddling through the kelp beds provides an up-close inspection of this fast-growing seaweed, which anchors itself to the seabed and can grow as much as a foot a day. My paddling partner used the sea otter's trick of wrapping her arms into the kelp as an anchor while I captured some videos and images during our paddle. Tide pooling is always a must during a West Coast visit, and the uniqueness of this intertidal ecosystem always amazes me. I'm headed back east today, y'all, and I hope I'll see you on the water soon.